Damn.
Hi to my sweet Andre. I hope this birthday is amazing. I hope you have a great time at your party today, as well as just want to let you know that I love you so much. You are the sweetest, funniest young man, and you're so giving and kind, and I just pray that you keep all of those qualities with you forever, and you're gonna be an amazing young person one day, an amazing scientist. Mommy loves you.
And you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 5.
Happy birthday, AJ. I hope you know how much I love you, man. I'm very proud of the young man that you're becoming. You're smart, funny, you're caring, and you are a constant reminder to myself to put others before me. It is a thing that you do. It is a thing that I admire about you. Happy birthday, and I hope that you have enjoyed your party. I love you, man.
Damn.
Happy birthday, AJ. Congratulations on winning the championship. Maybe next year, me and Nana can come and watch you play a game. But hope you have a great birthday and celebration. And I love you.
Happy birthday, AJ. You're the best little brother I could ever ask for.
Happy birthday, Andre. At least you're not bald like your daddy. Happy birthday from your auntie Tanya and your cousins Christopher, Christian, Cassidy, and Tati. Happy birthday!
Yo, AJ, happy birthday, nephew. It's your Uncle Darian. Love you, kid. Need to see you again. But happy birthday, man. Love you.
Happy birthday,
AJ. We all love you.
We love you. Hopefully you're having a good time. Can't wait to send your cousins down to hang out with you. All right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, AJ.
What's going on, AJ? I just want to wish you a happy 13th birthday and hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, AJ.
Say it.
Happy birthday, AJ. Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, AJ.
You of course you bite your lip at the end. Like, what is he doing?
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, AJ. We love you. We're excited to see what you do this year, and we hope you have a great birthday. Say love you. Say love you. Say love you, AJ. Let go.
AJ, I think you're the best brother in the world. You're kind and sweet, and whenever we need something, you give it to us. You're so giving and nice. I wish you the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday, AJ. I hope you have a wonderful time today. And I just wanted to say I love you and to congratulate you on your championship-winning soccer season. I know you were the heartbeat of the team. Love you. Have a great day.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.